cute ladies, muscle cars, and hot rods coming up. Here's Delicious Dame and a 1910 Ford T Tiki by Doug Weigel. Here's a Foxy Beauty and a 1920 Ford T Bucket hot rod. Knockout Damsel here and a 1930 Ford Model N 2-door hot rod. There's a gorgeous looking dame and a 1940 Ford hot rod. Flashy babe here and a 1950 Mercury Custom hot rod. Cool looking beauty here in 1960 Chevy Parkwood Blonde Big Block Chevy Power. Hot Damsel here in a 1970 Chevrolet Custom Camaro. Wowzer. There's a sassy looking woman in a 1980 the Tomaso Pantera GT5. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show, folks. Hope you liked it. Have a good day.